Vetrivel, 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 Veeravel, Vetrivel, Veeravel, Vetri, Vetri, Vetrivel,
வெற்றி வெற்றி வெற்றிவேல்,
Veera, Veera, Veeravel.
வீர வீர வீரவேல். சார் இந்த மைக்
CM and Deputy CM of Tamil Nadu, NDA leaders, Karyakartas, sisters and brothers of Madurai, Vanakkam. Nalla Irkingda, Madurai, Vandadil, Yenakka, Mikka, Magelji. This is the land of the Meenakshi Amman temple. I bow to Meenakshi Amman and Bhagavan Sundareshwar. Yesterday, I had the blessed opportunity to pray at the Meenakshi temple. I will cherish those special moments for the rest of my life. Coming here to Punya Bhumi and Veer Bhumi, South Tamil Nadu, I bow to the Algar temple, the Kudulu Algar temple, Tiruparan Kudundrum Murugan temple. Madurai is a main center of the glorious Tamil culture. This land is closely associated with the world's oldest language, Tamil. In Madurai, one thinks about the Tamil Sangams. Tamil literature is full of wisdom. I want to appreciate all those working to make Tamil culture and literature more popular. This land had a great influence on Mahatma Gandhi. I pay my tributes to the great Muthu Ramalinga Thevar, the brave Maharaj Pandya, the courageous Veera Pandya Kattabomman, the respected Emmanuel Sekanar, the visionary VOC, the statesman K. Kamaraj, the brilliant NMR Subraman,
தேசிய ஜனநாயக கூட்டணியினுடைய தலைவர்களே,
region have a strong mind and a big heart. Centuries ago, many people from Saurashtra in my home state of Gujarat came here. There is also a large Telugu community here since many years. The way Madurai has accepted them is a perfect example of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat.
நண்பர்களே,
Tamil Nadu and especially Madurai has a special association with MGR. Madurai Viran, who can forget this film? We all know who was among those who lent his voice to MGR. It was T.M. Sundararajan. In 1980s, Congress dismissed MGR's democratically elected government. Elections were called and MGR won from the Madurai West seat. The people of Madurai stood behind him like a rock. In 1977, 1980, and 1984, MGR won from place around this region. His vision for an inclusive and prosperous society inspires us.
நண்பர்களே, தென் தமிழகம் என்றால் அதற்கு
Guided by the mantras of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, the NDA government is working to bring a positive change in the lives of 130 crore Indians. For Tamil Nadu and especially southern Tamil Nadu, we want to focus on infrastructure, irrigation, investment. From the Red Fort last year, I had said that the government of India is going to spend rupees 100 lakh crore for creation of next generation infrastructure. This will cater to the needs of not only the present but also the future generations. In this year's Union Budget, a series of economic corridors have been announced. Our stretch is the Madurai-Kollam corridor. Funds allocated for railway infra projects in Tamil Nadu have increased by a record 238% compared to 2009. Many big projects have been completed in the last 7 years. In the coming years, we want even better metro, road, rail and air connectivity. The NDA government is also ramping up the digital infrastructure across India. Work is underway to provide high-speed broadband to every village of India. Last year, the cabinet approved the PM Vani scheme. This will improve Wi-Fi availability across India. It will also further ease of doing business and ease of living. By improving infrastructure, more tourists can come here and discover this city.
நண்பர்களே,
Nadu, I understand that DMK and Congress have no real agenda to talk about, but they should control their lives because people are not foolish. Congress and DMK keep showing themselves to be the only protectors of Tamil culture, but the fact suggests something else. Let me take you back in the year 2011. UPA was in power in Delhi. DMK had big ministries in the center. The same UPA government banned Jallikattu. One UPA leader described Jallikattu as a barbaric practice. Really? Is that the word you use for something that is part of Tamil culture for centuries? Barbaric practice? In 2016, the Tamil Nadu Congress manifesto called for a ban on Jallikattu. Congress and DMK should be ashamed of themselves. In 2016-2017, the common people of Tamil Nadu wanted a solution and wanted Jallikattu to continue. I could sense their pain. Our government then cleared an ordinance brought by the AIDMK government in Tamil Nadu which allowed Jallikattu to take place.
தமிழகத்தினுடைய சகோதரிகளே,
Friends, Congress and DMK have mastered the art of not working and then spreading lies about those who actually work. A classic example is the issue of AIIMS Madurai. In their many years in power, Congress and DMK did not even think about it. It was our government that brought AIIMS here. This AIIMS will also have a state-of-the-art infectious disease block. I assure you all that this project will be completed as per the proper processes. It will ensure quality healthcare treatment for people of the region.
நண்பர்களே, காங்கிரசும்
Our government has done a lot to boost medical infrastructure. One in every 3 districts will have a medical college. Number of seats for UG and PG courses is up significantly. We are ensuring that medical and technical education can be imparted in the local languages.
நமது அரசாங்கம் மருத்துவ
Of the all lies, no work attitude of Congress and DMK is the issue relating to the Devendra Kula Velalar community. They prefer to keep the issue hanging for several long decades. It was the AIDMK government in Tamil Nadu and the BJP-led government in the center that worked together to ensure dignity for the Devendra Kula Velalar community.
ஒரு வேலையும் செய்வதில்லை.
Friends, DMK and Congress will not guarantee either safety or dignity for you. The law and order situation will suffer under them. DMK tried to make peace-loving Madurai a mafia den just because of internal family complication in DMK first family. Madurai teaches us important lessons on empowering Nari Shakti. We see it in the way Meenakshi Amman is worshipped. We see it in the respect given to Kannagi Amman, Rani Mangammal, Rani Velu Nachiyar. Our efforts in the Swachh Bharat Mission, Ujjwala Yojana and other such schemes are aimed at empowering women. Sadly, the DMK and Congress have not understood the ethos of Madurai. No wonder their leaders keep insulting women again and again.
நண்பர்களே,
Friends, Madurai is known as Thunga Nagaram, a city that never sleeps and keeps awake always. I'm sure Madurai has also woken to the political realities today and work for development and progress that NDA assures. Thank you for coming to bless us in such large numbers.
நண்பர்களே, மதுரைக்கு நன்றி கூறுகிறேன்.
Thank you very much. Vanakkam, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki. Vanakkam.